Our hearts are wide open to you. We have spoken openly to you. It also begins there, right? For there to be eventual reconciliation and restoration, there has to be transparency. Transparency of how we feel. How I feel you have offended me. How I feel that your actions have hurt me. And we need to be quick unto that. Because when we don't, chances are that we're going to be what? Getting more distance and more distance and more strange. And our affections in the heart are compromised. Number two, we see the forgiving heart making an effective appeal for reconciliation. Notice the Apostle Paul speaks here of affections. Not simply of external, right? External sort of unity.